Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to reveal the top 10 foods you should never refrigerate, and I will give you 2 important reasons for each. You might be surprised by some of these. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Tomatoes. Refrigerating tomatoes can cause them to lose their flavor. The cold temperature can alter their texture, making them mealy and less enjoyable. Number 2. Potatoes. Cold temperatures convert the starch in potatoes to sugar, resulting in a sweet taste and gritty texture. Refrigeration can cause potatoes to darken and spoil faster once cooked. Number 3. Onions. Refrigerating onions can make them soft and mushy. They absorb moisture in the fridge, leading to mold and spoilage. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic can sprout in the cold, which changes its flavor, makes garlic rubbery, and reduces its shelf life. Number 5. Bread. The fridge dries out bread, making it stale faster. It also accelerates the process of staling due to crystallization of starch. Number 6. Honey. Cold temperatures cause honey to crystallize and become hard. Honey is naturally preserved by its low moisture content and high acidity, so no need to refrigerate. Number 7. Coffee beans. The cold temperature can cause moisture to condense inside the container, affecting the beans. Refrigeration reduces the aromatic oils, making the coffee less flavorful. Number 8. Bananas. Cold temperatures slow down the ripening process, causing the peel to turn black. They lose their flavor and become mushy inside. Number 9. Avocados. Refrigerating avocados can slow the ripening process. The texture can become uneven and less creamy. Number 10. Cucumbers. Cold temperatures cause them to become watery and mushy. They can develop pitting and lose their crispness. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and recipes.